Max Money Tribe, Max Money Family. What's going on? It's your boy Alvin, and we are back, but we are talking about pot stocks, marijuana stocks, cannabis stocks this time. I will be giving you my top 5 cannabis stocks. We have 420 coming up next month, but we also have a major bill going through legislation this week. I have the details in the article coming up just for you. All you have to do is smash that subscribe button, crush the thumbs up, and if you wouldn't mind hitting that notification bell. We also have a Chasing Assets 1 Instagram channel. Check that out. So let's get into the article. 5 cannabis stocks after this article. So federal marijuana legalization bill officially scheduled for House floor vote next week, which is actually this week because this was posted 3 days ago. So the House of Representatives plans to vote on a bill to federally legalize marijuana for the second time in history, only the second time in history, and it was confirmed on Thursday. The body will take up the Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment Expungement More Act, a bill sponsored by Chairman Gerald. A version of the measure cleared the chamber last session, but later stalled in what was the Republican-controlled Senate at the time. Legislation which would move cannabis from the list of federally controlled substances and promote social equality in the industry. It cleared the committee again this session, and activists have been pushing for a floor vote this month. So there's only about a few days left in the month, so that would be this week. So rumors of the potential floor action next week began circulating on Wednesday of last week, with sources telling Marijuana Moment that while nothing had been confirmed, the official vote scheduled appeared imminent based on the high level of discussions and talks. Now, House leaders have officially placed the cannabis legislation on the list of bills they plan to take up in the House floor this week. The Rules Committee will officially take up the measure in the floor meeting on Monday afternoon to prepare it for the floor action, including by determining which amendments will be allowed to advance for consideration. So I'm going to leave you with that. I'm not going to read the rest of it. But as you see, it's being brought up before legislation, which is a major because it's only the second time in the history that they're bringing this up. So here is my top 5 cannabis stocks in no particular order. Let's jump into it. First ticker symbol is CRON, Cronos Group. Now, 52-week high is $9.87. As you see, it's sitting at $4.22. I will tell you this ahead of time. All of these are super affordable. You can get you 100 of them. You can get you 50 of them. Do what's best for you because I'm not your financial advisor. So check it out. A year ago, this thing is going down, but it was up towards those highs of $9.50. But if we zoom out, 2019, it was pushing $21.71. That was a little after the first time that they had brought up the legalization of marijuana stocks. So that going there, it's only at $4.22. I think this is a great opportunity to jump into this company, and you actually can jump into each one of these. You don't have to pick just one. So SNDL is the second one that I'm going to bring up. It's only 76 cents. So this is one of our penny stocks. Lower end penny stocks, and it has a huge potential. So its 52-week high is $1.49. You might have heard some buzz about this. A week ago, it was all the way down here at 52 cents. We go out a month ago, you had a low right here of 45 cents. So it's almost doubled in the past month. Now, if we go out, you can see where it dropped off from its IPO in 2019 when all the buzz was coming out. And here we had a nice little spike up to about $2. So still great opportunity. As you see, this is climbing back from those lows. 76 cents. A lot of articles down here. Earnings reports, almost profitable on some of these stocks. Great opportunity. SNDL, and CRON. Next up, Tilray Brands. This used to be a big dog. Let's see, 52-week high, $24.13. This one I would actually say I like a little bit more than some of the other ones, just because it's a little bit more solid to me. So they beat on their last earnings. They are profitable, or were profitable in the fourth quarter of 2021. That is major. That's major. So if we look here, 52-week high, $24.13. So the past week, again, they've been climbing. Just in the past week, they were down here at $5, now $8. We're not too late. $4 right here a month ago. A year ago, same thing. You're going to find this trend with most of them, but now they're finding some type of bottom down here. Tilray Brands, one of my stronger ones on the list. Aurora Cannabis, ACB. Now this one, 52-week high is around $10, 64 cents. If we zoom out, past week, up again, month, up again. So you could have caught this for a low of about $2.92 on March 14th. So about 2 weeks ago, $2.90 some cents. Now, for the year, same trend, but it had highs right here where it tripled out, $126, $129. Now, if you're seeing that, I believe that actually was from a reverse split or some type of split. No, sorry about that. Clear that up. It was that high. It was that high, family, but you have to dive into that a little bit harder to actually check it out. So this one isn't profitable just yet. Very close at times, but isn't profitable yet. ACB again. Now the last one, Canopy Growth. This was another big dog. I like this one. If I'm listing them, if I'm picking them, this probably is one of my tied for first or second. 52-week high was $33.27. So it had some major drop off from that level. If you go here, look at the 5-year chart. So 2019, it was around $49, $50, and you can see it was trying to push through a couple times at that level. So it's a very bigger scale cannabis stock. You go down here to the earnings, almost touching profitability. Will it do it in this next quarter? It's coming up. They're looking to grow and expand a lot of these companies. These bills will help push these through. So here's the list again. 5 top cannabis stocks. Will you be buying any cannabis stocks? Do you like the cannabis sector? Is it dead? I don't know. They're bringing it up again before legislation. And you just have to play it carefully or close to the hip, they would say. So you have some low end ones, all of them below $10, which is great. And you can see that they had that potential to run up, and now they're finding the bottom. So I think it would be a great time to start adding into these particular sector if that's of interest to you. So again, Max Money family, if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and let me know down in the comments, will you be buying any pot, weed, cannabis stocks? Let's go, family. I'll see you tomorrow.